In this video, I'll be showing you how to pay with PayPal on Booking.com. So to do this, you just want to open up Booking.com and just select whatever you want to book and enter your general details such as your name, email address, when you want to stay there, etc. And from there you will get to the checkout page. Now there it will say how do you want to pay, and often you will see PayPal here, but it says to pay with PayPal, select Pay Now. Now where Pay Now is listed is when you scroll down here, it will ask when do you want to pay. So just going to select Pay Now, and then after doing that you would then be able to select PayPal. So we'll see what happens next. A sign-in screen will open a new window. There you can sign into your PayPal account and complete the payment, and you will get a confirmation once it's complete. So from here just click on the PayPal button, and then you will be redirected to PayPal, and that is where you can then pay with PayPal. So now you know how to pay with PayPal on Booking.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.